In today's digital world, online advertising has become a key strategy for businesses to reach their target audience. Google's responsive display ads are one of the most efficient tools for this purpose. But what makes them so advantageous? Let's break it down. Responsive display ads are designed to adapt and deliver. They use smart algorithms to optimize performance by showing the right ad to the right audience at the right time. This means better results for advertisers with less effort. One of the coolest features of responsive display ads is how they generate ads for you. Just upload your images, videos, headlines, logos, and descriptions, and Google takes care of the rest. It saves time while ensuring your ads look professional and appealing. Unlike traditional display ads, these ads fit into all types of ad slots, whether it's a banner, a sidebar, or mobile-friendly space. Responsive display ads adjust their size and format to match the placement. This flexibility ensures your ads are seen in more places. In short, they simplify the ad creation process, save time, and maximize visibility across the web. For businesses looking to boost their digital presence with minimal hassle, these ads are a go-to solution. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you need help with your Google Ads, join my coaching program, Google Ads Like a Boss, where I help you avoid expensive mistakes and get your campaigns run profitably. Thank you and see you in the next one.